The news in detail. The Lok Sabha polls will be conducted in 7 phases beginning the 19th of next month. The counting will take place on the 4th of June this year. The polling for the first phase in 102 Lok Sabha seat will be conducted on 19 April. The second phase for 89 seats on 26 April. The third phase will be held on 7 May for 94 seats, while 96 seats will go to poll in the fourth phase on 13 May. In the fifth phase, 49 parliamentary constituencies will go to the poll on 20th May, while in the sixth phase, 57 seats will have voting on 25th May, and the last and the seventh phase will be held on 1st June in 57 Lok Sabha seats.
We'll do it in 7 phases, as was done last time. 7 phases. Phase 1 will start from 20th March notification. 5 days from now, and last date of withdrawal would be 30th March and date of poll would be 19th of April और 19 अप्रैल को यहाँ वोटिंग होगी और पूरी कंट्री में 4 जून को काउंटिंग होगी.
Voting for the 2 Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya, Tura